How to change primary market on Shopify? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can change your primary market on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find shopify.com website and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. So first of all, you must go into your left panel at the bottom and click on settings. Once you're in your settings, here in the left panel, you must go into markets. And there you have your primary market. Here in my case is my own country. You just have to make click on preferences or edit. The button could be different. Oh, let me go back. Sorry. First, make click here and now on edit. That's the process. And there you're gonna find some other countries where you can change your primary market. In this case, most of the Latin American countries are closed. I mean, the only countries you're gonna be available to choose are like the popular ones, let's say. I mean, like Australia, like New Zealand in the case of Oceania, in North America, Canada, United States, but in this case, Mexico is not available. In Europe, perhaps you're gonna find most of the countries available because these are international, so they're open to some other markets. And also, let me show you again in Asia countries as Hong Kong, Israel, Japan, and Singapore, South Korea. I mean, these are the countries that are going to be available in this list. You just have to choose that country. Let's suppose I want to select Japan, click on save, and now Colombia will be moved to your international market, which is currently inactive. And if you want to continue selling in your own country, you must activate your international market or move it to Colombia into new market. Just click on confirm and that's how you can change it. If I go back, let's go back here again to markets. As you can see, Japan now it's my primary market on Shopify. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.